In this video, you'll learn how to submit subcontractor invoices in Procore, simplifying the process for accurate financial transactions on your construction projects. Please keep in mind that depending on the type of client you are working with, you may encounter the term invoice or progress billings. Once your previously submitted subcontractor schedule of values has received approval and the Procore point of contact has designated a billing period, you gain the ability to submit your invoice within the Procore platform. This essential step ensures you're compensated fairly for the work you performed. Upon receiving an email notification, you'll be informed that you've been officially invited to bill. Click Yes on the email to initiate the billing process for your invoice. After accepting the billing invitation, you'll be redirected to the Create New Invoice page within Procore. Here, you'll notice that the fields for the invoice start, invoice end, and billing date are already pre-filled based on the settings established by your project manager or contractor. However, if these dates differ from your records, you can make the necessary edits. To begin, you'll input your unique invoice number to streamline the process. The Details section is where you'll document your progress. Within this section, you'll have the option to input the amount of work completed and materials stored for each line item. For projects involving approved change orders that pertain to your scope of work, the process remains the same. You can replicate the steps you followed for the initial schedule of values in the Approved Change Orders section. This involves entering the amount complete for each line item specific to the change order, ensuring your invoice accurately reflects any additional work brought about by these alterations. If your point of contact requires a lien waiver or any additional information, you can either utilize the Attach Files link or drag and drop the necessary file here, satisfying this contractual requirement. If, for any reason, you're not yet ready to officially submit the invoice to the contractor, you can simply click Save. Doing so sets the status of the invoice to Save as Draft, permitting further modifications as needed. Once you're fully prepared for submission, click Send. This changes the status to Under Review. You won't be able to make any further edits unless the contractor modifies the status to revise and resubmit. With this video, you've gained insight into the streamlined process of submitting subcontractor invoices in Procore. This ensures that you're accurately compensated for your valuable contributions while strengthening transparent and official financial communication between collaborators and contractors. You're now well equipped to navigate the invoice submission process within Procore. Best of luck with your future invoice submissions.